Hi children, good morning to everyone. Let us have some discussion about previous videos. In previous videos, we learnt Jock and the Beanstalk, pronouns and the textbook exercises, ja sound and ga sound. Is it clear? Yes, I hope everyone understood that. Today, we enter to the new lesson, the Gajan and the Three Thieves. Gajanand and the Three Thieves. How Gajanand caught three robbers. Robbers means thieves. Do you know who is a thief? Yes, the thief is a person, one who steals the things when the particular members are not there in the house. They may come in night time to steal, robbery the things. Yes, children, those persons are called thieves. Yes, let us learn the words from this lesson to understand the lesson. Whenever to enter into the lesson, we should discuss some words which are not familiar to us, which are not known to us. Then only the lesson will be very clear to understand. Yes, children, shall we practice those words now? Yes. Children, this is the first page of this lesson. You have to find the way to the elephant. From the elephant, you have to go to this center. Yes, children, this is a puzzle for you to complete it. How Gajanand, what is the name? Gajanand caught the robbers. Caught, catch, past tense, caught. Yes, children. Now, we will keep the heading. Let us open your notebook. Write the date. What is today's date? 18/10/2020. The Gajanand caught three robbers. How many robbers? Three robbers. Three robbers. Repeat everyone. What is the name of the lesson? The Gajanand caught three robbers. This is the name of the lesson. In this lesson, we are learning words. Yes, children, while writing the words, everyone should understand, listen carefully how to pronounce robbery. Repeat everyone. Robbery. Robbery means stealing the things. Robbery. Robbery means stealing the things. Stealing the things. Understand? Next. Charan. Charan is the name of a person. Charan. Charan is the owner of the house. Charan is the owner of the house. Who is Charan? Charan is the owner of the house. Charan and his wife. Charan and his wife went to somewhere. Went to for marriage. That night, what had happened? Let us see. Then Charan is phoning to Gajanand. Gajanand is a police inspector. Gajanand is a police inspector. Now, who is Charan? Charan is the owner of the house. Who is Gajanand? Gajanand is a police officer. Yes, children? Then Fourth one. Inspect. Inspect. Inspecting. Inspect means finding, searching, inspecting. Searching the place. Gajanan. Then Puran. Puran is the worker. Puran is a worker in Charan's house. Puran is a worker in Charan's house. Yes, children. Who is Charan? Charan is a house owner. Who is Gajanand? Gajanand is a police inspector. He is inspecting means searching the place for the clues. And Puran is a worker in the Charan's house. Puran is a worker in the Charan's house. Yes, children. Next, sixth one. Giggle. Giggle means laughing. Giggle. Giggle means laughing. Everyone is laughing at the Purans. Giggle means laugh. Giggles means laughing. Yes, children. Shopkeeper. 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 Do you know who is shopkeeper? Yes. When we go to shop, when we give money to get biscuit packet or pencil or eraser, one who gives us, the person is called shopkeeper. And they say thieves, 3 dogs also. And how many thieves are there? We discussed 3 thieves. Yes. Search. Search means finding. Search means finding. Yes, children. Honestly. Honestly. Honestly means very truthfully. Honestly means very truthfully. Continue. Going on. Continue. Going on. Continue means going on. Once again, let us have review of these words. Robbery. Robbery means the things were stolen by someone. Charan. Charan is the owner of the house. Gajanand is a police inspector. He is inspecting means searching the things, asking others. Puran is a worker. Puran is a worker in Charan's house. In Charan's house. Giggles means laugh. Shopkeeper means one who is in the shop. Search means finding. Honestly, very truthfully. Continue, going on. These are the words you have to learn spellings and write in your notebook very neatly 2 times, and you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Yes, children. Now let us set to explanation part. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn first characters. What are the characters? Gajanand. Gajanand is a police officer. Vikram, the police constable, means junior constable, police. Charan, the person whose house is robbed, means owner of the house. In his house only robbery was taken place. Puran, the cook who works in Charan's house. He is a worker in Charan's house. Shopkeeper. Thief 1, thief 2, thief 3. We are talking about 3 thieves in this lesson. So, this incident was taken place in Anandapur. Where? What is the name of the place? Anandapur. This police Gajanand was an well-known person to solve the problems. What is the name of the place? Yes, Anandpur. Name of the place is Anandpur. Anandpur. What is the name of place? Anandpur. In Anandpur, the Gajanand was a police officer. The police officer is in Anandpur. He was well known for solving the problems. Well known for solving the problems. One day, Charan phoned to Gajanand. Who phoned to Gajanand? Charan. Charan phoned to Gajanand. Charan phoned to Gajanand. What did he tell in the phone? Yes. Dear Inspector, some robbery was taken place in my house. Soon the Gajanand took police constable Vikram and they came to Charan's house. Now police inspector means Gajanand is inspecting Puran. What had happened that night? Did you see anyone? Puran told Gajanand, I have not seen anything, but I saw 3 dogs. 3 dogs. How many dogs he saw? 3 dogs. Then Puran told Gajanand. Gajanand understood his condition and Gajanand told Charan, I will solve your case. And he took Vikram and went to and get into the jeep. While they were going into the jeep, Gajanand kept the brake and watching the 3 dogs which were barking at the shop. The 3 dogs were barking at the shop. Gajanand stopped the jeep and asked the Vikram to go and find the shop. Then they both went to the shop. The shopkeeper asked, what do you want? If you want anything, the fresh vegetables are filled in the sacks. You could go and collect them. Then Gajanand and Vikram went inside the shop. They were searching the sacks which are filled with the grains and vegetables and fruits. Then Gajanand has a doubt and he hit the sack. Then while he was hitting on the sack, there was a noise of dog. What is the noise? Bow bow. Grrr. Bow bow. Then Gajanand surprised. Why this noise is coming in the sack? And he left. And again he asked Vikram, go and search another sack. In another sack, when Vikram pulled the sack, then there was a noise from the sack. Meow, meow. Gajanand shocked. Why these sounds are coming from the sack? Then at last Gajanand pulled third sack also. Then the third sack gave a noise, potato, potato. A voice from the third sack gave potato, potato. Then Gajanand shocked, surprised. Why this noise is coming from the shop? Means sacks. Then he opened that third sack. There was a man. How can a sack speak? Can the sack speak? Can things speak? No. So sack is also a thing. Why this sack is speaking? He had a doubt. Then he asked. The thief came out of the sack and sorry, he said sorry, I will not do again like this. And he said the remaining two are in the other two sacks. Gajanand opened the sacks. He found the thieves. He found the thieves. Then the thieves were very sorry. He told them sorry and they accepted their mistake. Yes, we only did the robbery in that children's house. Sorry for that. Then Gajanand asked, how did you come to this shop? How did you come to this shop? Then they told, we came through the broken window. The sacks were empty. The night. Morning, it were filled with vegetables. The owner filled with the vegetables. Then the Gajanan took these three thieves. How many thieves? These three thieves, and he kept in the jail. Gajanan told thanks to Puran. Puran told Gajanan, I saw the thieves, but I got fear whether they do any harm to me. So I did not say that I saw the thieves, but only the dogs. Gajanan told Puran, appreciated Puran, I know, I understood your problem, so that I solved this. Yes, children, now Gajanand also solved this problem. Yes, children, did you understand?
Hi children, this is your homework. Answer the following questions. Name the lesson. Who gave clue to Gajanand? How many thieves robbed children's house? What did Gajanand see outside the shop? Did Gajanand solve the problem?